Well,
yeah, the video's not.
I'm still undoing it, but okay. I'm still.
Am I not allowed to? I'm not allowed to record the undoing part of it.
No.
That's a secret way to undo it.
I'm not even listening to anything.
You're not what?
I was not even listening to anything. Are you recording?
Just using them as earplugs.
There, you see, it's all mixed up as well.
I see that. The exact state in which every Rubik's Cube that I ever had, probably just one, but the exact state that it remained in.
It's probably decomposing somewhere in some landfill. Like, still undone.
So are you trying to solve it now?
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, you are solving it now, right?
Yeah.
You're not trying to, you just are. Pressure's on. Can you do it with pressure on?
No.
Oh yeah, you had like a whole crowd around you at school, right?
Not like a whole crowd, but like some people.
It's like 80 or 90,000 people. I've already looked for my phone about 3 times since it's been sitting over there recording. Where's my phone at? Oh.
There.
Man. Show it. Show all the
I'm
sides.
sorry. Woo.
I know, it's no big deal. No big deal at all. That's you gotta be a 1%er. How many percentage? What percentage?
276,973.
Wow.
People.
Oh.
It's like .000.
Man, well, it sounds like you're
I
really
don't
good at
know, I don't
math
know how many
somehow.
people.
Anything else cool
No.
you can do?